Hey everyone, Serena B here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have kind of an epic haul from Scrapbook.com. I placed this order before I left on my trip and I got it shipped to my friend's place where I was going to be staying at. It helped me save on some shipping and customs fees. So, which kind of took up a lot of space in my luggage. That's a whole different story, but I got it to work out. I ended up having to buy a carry-on so that I can carry everything back home. I did go shopping there and I did buy a lot of stuff. I don't normally purchase a lot of things like this all at once, but this is kind of like a special occasion. You know, I was going to California and during Halloween, so there's always fun Halloween stuff in the stores and I couldn't help myself. So this is going to be one of, I don't know how many haul videos I'll have for you guys. I hope you enjoy watching, but I'm going to start off with my Scrapbook.com order, and it's actually Christmas stuff. As you can see, I did purchase the Merry Days collection. I did buy a couple of one-off Maggie Holmes collections pieces that I'll show you first. Alright, so these are the things that I bought that are not from the Merry Days collection from Crepe Paper. I've been loving the Willow Lane collection. I've been using it for special projects and I can't wait to share with you guys what I've been working on very soon. But I needed more items because I just love that collection so much. I was actually going to buy a lot more. I was going to buy the chipboard, which I never purchased, and I really like it, but I didn't get it. I was going to buy some of those more foam stickers, but I decided to just to get these three items. This is new to me. I need to get these standouts. They're so cute, and I'm so happy that I picked it up this time around. They're so adorable. I had to get another pack of the frames. I love these frames. I personally really adore the round ones the most. This one here is my favorite, and then I like the black and white polka dot one, but to be fair, I haven't even used the square ones yet. I even have the ones from Good Vibes, but the square ones for some reason I'm having a hard time using. But these round ones are so freaking cute. I got another sticker sheet of Willow Lane because I'm almost done my first one that I got for myself, and I love them. I use them in Project Life and whatever. They're just so awesome to have. So I love this collection. I think it's really cute too for the fall. And then these are the standouts for the Flourish collection, which I never really picked up. I think I only got like, I don't even think I got anything from Flourish. I really like the collection, but I haven't, for some reason, didn't get anything. But I love these butterflies right here. They're so beautiful, and I've seen projects with them being made, and I'm just like, you know what, I'll just get the standouts because I love these butterflies. And yeah, I might, you know, hoard them. They're really cute though. Alright, let's get into Merry Days. I'm so excited. At first, I wasn't sure how I felt about this collection, but then seeing it, you know, once more, I'm like, yes, let me buy this collection. Just FYI, I don't normally buy a full collection when there's something launching. I always get like a couple things here and there, but starting last month or the month before with Willow Lane, I really loved kind of creating a coordinating kit and buying all the items. I just really like that. I like that it's easy to go to. Usually I just like put pieces together, mix collections together. I still do that all the time, but it's just different working with a full kit, a full collection of something, and it's really fun. So I've been really enjoying that recently, and that's why I got pretty much the whole Crepe Paper collection except for a couple of items I didn't get. Okay, so I got 2 packs of these stickers. They're so cute. Let me just flip this one around so you guys can see both sides at the same time. I'm gonna probably use one for myself, personal projects, and one for Happy Mail projects. So I hope my pen pals like this collection because I'm gonna be using it. And then I'll just show you the bottoms here. They're really cute. The thing that I wasn't sure about was the yellow and the dark blue, but seeing that it's dark teal, I like that. And it's like a different kind of shade of gold, which I really love. So I got 2 of the sticker sheets, 2 of the ephemera packs. I haven't opened it yet, but if you guys want to see a flip through, I'm sure there's some videos out there already. Just for the sake of time, I hope you guys can just pause and see them. They're really cute. And I got the cards. I don't do this. I don't buy cards, but I love them. They're so cute. There's only 2 of each, but there's 10 styles, I believe. Yeah, I thought this would be really fun for a mini album, a December album, or any kind of Happy Meal projects. I'm thinking of doing December Daily or December Not So Daily album this year, even though I said I wasn't going to do December Daily anymore and just put them in my Project Life, because my Project Life is like really full and I still have November, December to document, and I don't think I can do 2 months in it. I think it's like at its limit. So I'm thinking of making a mini album using this collection, and this album I bought at Target. I can't wait to show you guys. That's going to be in my Target haul. So this is going to be perfect for that, and I'm really excited. They're so cute. And then I got Fabric Brad's Who Am I? Like, who am I? Who took over Serena B? Because I don't do this. I don't buy fabric buttons. They're so cute though. They're flat back, so in case you guys were interested. But yeah, I don't normally buy things like this, but I couldn't help myself. I went ahead and picked up the alpha stickers because I love alpha stickers. That's another thing. I should put that in my 7 deadly sins. Oh my gosh, that is totally one of the things I keep buying. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'll link my 7 deadly sins of crafting tag that I did with my friends Danny and Sabrina in this video for you guys to check out. It's really fun. I love alpha stickers like I just said, so these are really cute. I like the wonky style of it, and they're really a good size for project life too. That's why I mainly got them. And then I got 2 packs of these stickers. Well, I picked up 3, but one was for my friend Danny's, and I absolutely love these. Again, back and front so you guys can see. I just love them. The gold is really cute. I love how skinny the font is. They're kind of like whimsical and cutesy. I can't wait to play with them. They're really cute. So next I got 2 packs of the puppy stickers. These are one of the items that I knew for sure I was gonna pick up. 50 pieces, and there's a lot of really cute things. Love the snowman, the skates, the little stockings. Everything on the sticker sheet is awesome. I picked up 2, but you know, if I go through this really quickly, I might just get another one. This is the tag set that I picked up. I have it in the Ziploc, but this is just a quick little overview for you guys. So it comes with 2 packs of twine, which I think is pretty chunky for the size of the tags. Really cute little banner type tags. Like if you guys can see the hole, like this will just barely fit through. Like I don't know why this twine is so thick. 10 or so of this really pretty light gold cardstock, which you can use for anything basically, but I think they were for like backing the tags, you know, just for a decorative element. You know, if you just punch it here and like you kind of can do like a flippy thing or journal in the back or something like that. I think it was just to add some extra goodness to these items. So like if you want to back some of the cutouts, you can do that, you know, with the paper. But I mean, how cute would it be, you know, if you like make a hole here and then you have it like, it's just an interactive element. I think that's why these sheets are here, you know what I mean? And then you have the twine coming out of that, just like a backer. So I think that's really, really cute. This is just a quick look at these items that come in here. The little house is adorable. Like how cute would that be, you know? And if you want, you can trim it to size, make it a little bit smaller, you know, as like a layering piece. Anyway, you can never go wrong with gold paper. Am I right? Anyway, so there's a little cute tree, which I can't wait to put like little gemmies on it to make it really fun and interactive. And yeah, so that is the tag kit, which again, normally I wouldn't buy something like this, but I had to have all the things for this collection. Who am I? I don't know. So next I got the washi tapes, and again I got rid of the packaging to save space in my suitcase luggage. So this one is really cute swan pattern. I hope that's coming out okay. It's really light. And again, I don't normally buy coordinating washi tape for a collection, but I did it for Willow Lane and I loved using it with my projects that I've been working on. So I figured I'd do the same for this collection. And my other washi is rolling away. But this is the Holly one. Again, really light pink background. Hope it's not blurry. It matches the pattern paper. This one says Falala in, I believe, 2 font styles. Yeah, really cute. I like showing the washi. I like, when I buy washi, I like to open it up and see it. I don't know why. Like, I know you can read around it, but that's just something I like to do. I love reading the washi and opening it up for you guys. So I hope you guys can enjoy that. This is what it looks like. This is gold foiling. And it's really pretty. I love this kind of whimsical font. This is another one of my favorite rolls of washi. It has a pretty like, oh, focus. There we go. A pretty foil leafy pattern. Okay, it's focusing now. Hope you guys can see that okay. Kind of looks like a little tree if you go this way. Anyways, guys, it wouldn't focus, but I hope you guys can see that okay. And then I got the 12 by 12 chipboard sheet, and it has some really fun Really beautiful elements. I don't normally work with chipboard because it's too thick, and my main project is Project Life, but this is a perfect size for altered albums or projects. And one of the tricks, you guys probably know this by now, is just to like remove the backing and remove a couple of layers of the chipboard, and it makes it less dimensional, and I love to do that. And then of course I had to get the shaker stickers. There's like white little sequins inside, make it look like snow. So I hope that is coming up okay on camera. If I move it up, it's gonna get blurry, so I'll just leave it on my desk. But they're really puffy, they're domed, and they're really, really cute. I only got one pack though, so really cute for mini albums as well. The 6x8 paper pad, which I'm loving the size for paper. So anyway, it's just a little quick flip through of the collection. And a lot of it is gold foiled as well, so this has some foiling. And this is one of my favorite patterns. It's so, so cute. There you go. So here are the 12x12 pattern papers. I did pick up some from Falala, I'll show you at the end, which I'm really regretting not picking up that collection last year. I fell in love with it, and I'm learning that if you like something, buy it. Even if you don't use it for the year, you can use it next year, you know what I mean? So I was trying to save and all that silliness. Let's be real. If you like it, just get it. That's my new motto. But I'm gonna have to make sure I'm being more picky and choosy with what I get. So my friend Mary Beth is gonna be kind enough to send me some Falala goodies that she has extra of, and I'm so excited, so I had to pick up some of the papers for it. But let's get back to Merry Days. I got 2 of these, or was it 3? I don't remember. Yeah, I got 2 because I thought I kind of want to do an advent calendar swap with some of my friends. So if we do that, I really want to use this. It's so cute. On the back side is this really pretty snowflake pattern. I love this one. It's one of my favorites. I just think it would be so cute on a cover or like a layout in the middle. Like you can use gesso, make it like a really snowy kind of, I don't know, I just really like this pattern. There's so many ways you can use it. This one's really cute as well, very simple, nice for a stocking or an altered project kind of thing. And then I got 3 of the cut aparts. These are really, really cute. Again, I think I got one for myself, one to use in hack mail, and then the back looks like this. It's just like a frame, which is going to be really tricky to use, so thank God the cut aparts are behind this pattern, not something really cute. This one's really fun, and this little Santas. If you guys are interested in anything you see in this video, I'll have everything linked down below for you guys. I do purchase from Scrapbook.com, and I am affiliated with them. So use my link. I'll get like a little percentage of your order, so it really helps my channel. So if you guys want to pick up some of this collection for yourself, you know, consider checking out my links down below. And now this is the last one for Merry Days. I just got one of the hollies, and it's like a nice blue background. And these are the ones from Falala. I pretty much got everything they had left. So this beautiful bird pattern is one of my favorites. I love this background checkered thing. This is so cute as well. Oh my gosh, I should have just bought this collection last year. What was I thinking? Love this one. The buffalo check. Simple word. I got 2 of the trees. They're really, really cute. I love this background so much. So pretty. I got this like snowflake red pattern. This one's really pretty too. I got 2 of the holly one. It's called Mistletoe if you guys are interested. And the stars in the background. And then this is the last one from Falala. It's called Wonderland. And zigzag arrow pattern thing. So yeah, so that is my haul from Scrapbook.com. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you guys have any questions, just leave them down below. I hope you guys are enjoying your October, and I know this is Christmas, but I wanted to get it out of the way first. Let me know if you picked up some of the Merry Days collection and what items you got, or if you just did like me and bought practically the whole thing. I'd love to know. So yeah, leave a comment down below, say hi, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for being here with me, and take care. Bye!